In this video, we talk about how I make my videos and all the hard work that goes into them. I want to thank again the sponsor for today's video, and that is Vikings War of Clans. I've been playing Vikings now for a few months and I just can't get enough of it. Sometimes you just need to take a break from editing and jump into the rich world that is Vikings. You don't need to download the game, the registration is really easy and you can get straight into it. There are gamers from all around the world playing this game, including myself. And if you want, you can join my clan and we can play together. And if you join Vikings today for free, you'll get a cool bonus of 200 coins to kickstart your journey in the game. Trust me, it's really worth your time and I highly recommend it. But for now, let's go to the workshop and get the cameras set up. So this video we are doing something a little different. We are going behind the scenes in what I do to make my videos and why they actually take so long to make and get out to you guys. I get comments all the time asking, why isn't the video up yet? Why haven't you done this? Why haven't you posted this? It is simply down to the amount of time it takes to make these videos, let alone do the job that I'm meant to be doing on the bike. I guarantee you it takes 3 times as long to film and do the job than it is just to do the job. And I won't lie, it frustrates me. I wish I had more time to build these bikes and to work on these machines and everything like that, but when I'm working 9 till 5 every single day, plus my second job on the weekends, on the evenings, it gets a little bit much sometimes. But I'm not having a dig, I'm here simply showing you what actually goes into making these videos, and just so you get a little bit more of an understanding about what goes into them. So I do hope you appreciate it, I do hope you enjoy, and this is how I make my videos. So with each and every shot I have to set up the camera, manually focus and press record. My thinking behind it is it gives you a bit more of a depth to the video and a bit more of an understanding of what I'm actually doing. Sometimes I'm only recording for 10 seconds, sometimes it's for half an hour, it depends on what I'm actually filming and doing. So in total, these clips come to 30 seconds worth of footage. In total, this probably took me about half an hour to film in total. It just goes to show, even for 30 seconds worth of footage, it takes such a long time just to get everything set up and sorted. Bear in mind, after this we've still got editing and colour grading to go, so let's go there next. So as you can see, there's so much that goes into just getting those few basic shots. I mean, I have to stop and start so many times throughout filming these videos, and you kind of get the idea why it takes so long just to do a simple task. But that doesn't bother me, I enjoy the filming aspect as much as the actual creating of the part itself. But it's good for you guys to know what actually goes into it. But let's get into my editing software and I can show you how I make my videos come to life. So firstly, I use a program called Final Cut Pro, and this is what I've been using for the past few years. What I've done here is dragged all the clips in that we're going to use, and as you can see here, all the clips together add up to 6 minutes and 33 seconds, and now we need to condense that down to 30 seconds or thereabouts. So what I tend to do is when I'm going through, I go clip by clip, and I want to find out where all the nicest shots are, because obviously there's some setting up, there's some faffing around, all that good stuff. But let's start from the beginning. I kind of have to get each clip and scale it, drag them in, and kind of get an idea of where it all starts and stuff. See, that starts way too early, so let's bring it in a bit more, and then you can just see the kind of progression through. So we've got the vignettes there, or however you pronounce them, and we want to change that clip to me actually using them to kind of follow through. So we put the lights down, get these, and then that's it. See, it's kind of just getting all the clips to flow nicely and make them kind of fit together. That's pretty much all I do. On top of that, we add music and kind of find the flow of the music to the edit. And once we've kind of done all this, we kind of get to the point where we want to work on colours and making everything look nice and uniform, because at the moment everything's straight out of camera and a bit dull looking. But what I've kind of done here is got some presets already kind of set up, but let me just add an adjustment layer over the top. This is what we use to colour everything, and it just keeps everything nice and neat and separate. Now this is my standard colour grade that I tried to use just for kind of most clips, and just kind of gives it just a nice warm rich feel, and you can see the difference when I toggle it on and off. There is other ones, there's different things and different ways you can do it, but for me this is my kind of my colours, as you would say. Just kind of, yeah, my look. That's probably what's the best way to describe it is. I could go into so much more detail into how all this works, and as you can see, you've got all the volumes and the audio, and I tend to drop them, or I can expand them and drive them over or shorten them, you know, get that sort of fine tuning and curve so they drop off nicely over into the next clip and all that pretty much. So yeah, if you've got any questions, let me know down below. I'll happily answer them. I could even do another video solely on editing, so yeah, let me know. So I'm going to leave it here now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this does actually benefit you and kind of even inspire you to make your own videos, and just, you know, don't be afraid of it. Yes, it's a long process, but have fun with it, make some cool content, and yeah, I shall see you in the next video. Peace.